Most people get this wrong when starting a business in the UK. They focus only on the company registration cost and think they are ready. But here's the truth no one tells you. The real expense starts after your company is formed, and that's where most beginners get caught off guard. In this video, you'll learn the 7 hidden costs of starting a business in the UK in 2026. This matters because these costs can quietly drain your budget and slow down your growth before you even get your first real clients. Let's start with the biggest surprise. The first hidden cost is compliance and filing fees. Even if your company is inactive, you still need to file annual accounts and confirmation statements with Companies House. Many new founders like Alex from India assume it's optional, but it's mandatory. Now here's where it gets interesting. The second cost is accounting and bookkeeping. You might think you can manage it yourself, but UK tax rules are strict. Most small businesses end up paying an accountant monthly or quarterly, and this adds up faster than expected. The third hidden cost is business bank charges. Banks like digital providers or traditional banks often charge for transfers, currency conversions, or account maintenance. Jake, a freelancer moving from the US, realized his free account was not actually free once international payments started coming in. But here's the problem most people miss. The fourth cost is taxes beyond corporation tax. You may also deal with VAT payroll taxes if you hire staff, and personal income tax on dividends. These layers confuse new founders, and often lead to penalties if handled incorrectly. Now let's talk about the fifth cost: visas and legal setup for foreign founders. If you are not a UK resident, you might need legal support, visa applications, or compliance checks. These services can cost more than the company setup itself. The sixth cost is software subscriptions. Tools for accounting, invoicing, CRM, and project management seem small individually, but together they become a monthly burden. Many founders underestimate this completely. And finally, the seventh cost is marketing. Even a great business will not grow without visibility. Paid ads, branding, or basic website SEO often become necessary much earlier than expected. So what's the takeaway here? Starting a UK business is not just about registration. It's about preparing for ongoing operational costs that many beginners ignore. If you are planning to launch a company in the UK, understanding these hidden costs can save you from serious financial stress later. If this helped you understand the real picture, like the video, drop a comment with your questions, and subscribe for more clear guides like this.